Hi, my name is Arif Vakil. I'm a trustee at ILM Montessori, and today I'm going to give you just a brief teaser, a very high-level overview of this iconic Montessori material called the Pink Tower. Now, what's so extraordinary about the Pink Tower? When we are selecting a school for a child, or when we walk into a regular nursery or kindergarten, when we pick up perhaps early learning books, we expect them to teach them numbers. And how do our children learn numbers? Either they rattle off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick numbers along with pictures of 3 along 3 balls or 3 books. Montessori takes it at a much deeper level and a much slower level and builds in the sense of numbers right from when they are 2 or 2.5 years old through materials like this, which is a category called sensorial materials. How does Montessori teach numbers through the senses? Now, if you look at it, this is introduced to a child around 2.5 years old. Now, this may look like a regular set of blocks, perhaps Lego blocks or regular just stacking blocks. What is different about this? It is the precision with which this is made that makes this absolutely unique. The difference between this and this is just minimal, and the child at 2.5 has to visually recognize, oh my gosh, this is bigger and this is smaller, and then smaller than that, and then smaller than that, done precisely so that these are exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in number. And this theme of 10 is repeated across Montessori materials. Why is this theme of 10? Because we follow the decimal system. It's at every 10 that the grade, the numeracy moves up one level, where units become tens and tens become 100, or from unit we go down and they become tenths and hundredths. And instead of looking at pictures and saying, oh, this is 3 balls and therefore this is the symbol number 3, we don't even go there. You work with it, you play with it, realize that there's a gradation to it, realize that there's a scale to it. Children have to pick these up. Now, if I were to pick up this particular material, the way it's presented to it, it's like this block. This is a block, and a 2.5-year-old child picking this, whoa, this is heavy. They learn the vocabulary of heavy. I've got to move this. It works the gross motor skills. And then when they pick up a smaller block like this, I can hardly feel this. This is light. We work on the vocabulary. So just by working with this material, getting your hands moving with it, stacking it up, and it's got to be stacked in just the right order, they develop their senses, they work their gross motor skills, they internalize numbers, and finally even work with language. That's the beauty of the Pink Tower. We will build on this, and where do we move on from the Pink Tower to other sensorial materials. And the next sensorial material we'll be looking at is the brown stairs.